Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will create a egg tray in the surface feature. Okay, let's start. File, new, part. Part is the default template. Okay, this one. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white. And unit system is a millimeter gram second. You can take any other as per your requirement system from here. Okay, we will create a egg tray in the surface modeling. Surface tab is available in the this you will find in this tab section. If you don't find, right click tab section and go here, check the surfaces. This will come in the tab section, but I have the already in surface tab. Okay, I am selecting front plane sketch. I am draw this line here. This is horizontal line. Okay, and dimension I am taking. This dimension I am taking 300. Okay, and this one. Now sketch is fully defined. This one again front plane. Take another front plane and draw another line. Pass a draw a line passing through this origin. Okay, and this one, and select this point origin and shift key, select this line, select midpoint. I am taking this dimension. This dimension I am taking only 25 mm. Okay, this dimension is taking 25 mm. Sketch is fully defined. This one, this. Now out of this sketch, in the surface I go in the swept surfaces. This is selected, sketch this one, select this sketch. Now go in the option, this option, open it, profile orientation, you select follow path, this option. Profile twist, you specify the twist value, this one, you select this one, specify twist value. Twist control in the terms of revolution. I am controlling the twist in the revolution terms. I am giving the 6 revolutions here. This one. Okay, this is the show preview and hit the right button. This is the profile. Now again front plane. Select front plane sketch and select this one. This is sketch and convert entity. Sketch is converted out of the sketch. This is surface body. Surface body I have already created. I am hiding this surface. Hiding from in the future tribunal, there is a surface body and hide it. I am hiding this one. This is one of our profile of this one. Now I take the right plane. Right plane, show it, and right plane, show it. Select this plane and sketch. Okay, sketch. Now you please see the carefully here. I am selecting this profile and go in the up menu bar. This one here is the edit tab. This one in the menu bar above top of the this edit, copy it again. Select this plane. Again go in this one menu bar. Edit, paste here. This one. Now this profile is on this plane. Okay, but I want to bring it, press shift key, this point and this one. Select this point, shift key, and this point. Coincident. Okay, this one. Again, one more relation, this point, shift, and this point. Horizontal relation. Okay, but the sketch is not fully defined. How? Dimension, this one, same dimension I am taking, 300. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Now we have the 2 profiles here. Out of this one, again sheet surfaces, swept surfaces. This sketch is selected. Path is this one. This path. This one. Again. Okay, this is profile image. hide this sketch, hide this plane. Actually, this in final appearance of this profile, I have paused the video. Actually, it will take time, 20 seconds approximately. So you don't lose your patience. This will take certain time in appearance of this profile. Now in the thicken section, I am providing the thickness, this portion, this one, this option, thicken both sides. Select this one, this, and I am taking only 1.5 mm. 1.5 mm, both sides, this one and hold this one. So this is the make, this one. Direct editing, loft, direct editing, okay, weldment, evaluate, measure. .5 delta Z. This is 2.5. Okay, this one in this way. And now I give the appearance. Actually, when you apply this surface sweep, this one, this surface sweep, when you apply, it will take time, approximately 20 seconds. Please don't lose your patience. System calculates the calculation takes place. Okay, in the both this one, in surface sweeping, this one and this one, both it will take certain time. Actually, I have paused the video in final appearance of this model. Okay, don't lose your patience. Okay, and now I give the appearance of this one. Of this one, you can give the plastic appearance, or you can give the, there is one especially here, you can find it, the organic this operation, and miscellaneous, this one sponge type. Double click this appearance. Actually, this is the, actually this operation, I am sponge operation appearance I have given. I think I have completed. So I think you would have liked this video. Please like and share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.